Hello guys, I am Gerald Namagina and I am here to explain about cyberbullying. So guys, let's go! In today's digital age, cyberbullying has emerged as a significant threat to the well-being of individuals, particularly the youths. Unlike traditional bullying, cyberbullying has emerged, transcends physical boundaries, invading personal spaces through digital platforms. The consequences of cyberbullying are far-reaching and can have devastating effects on victims. Cyberbullying can lead to emotional distress, anxiety, depression, and even suicidal thoughts. Victims often experience feelings of isolation, helplessness, and fear, which can impact their academic performance, social relationship, and overall quality of life. Moreover, the anonymity afforded by the internet emboldens perpetrators, making it challenges to identify and hold them accountable for their actions. This pervasive issue demands a firm and unwavering stance from society to protect victims and foster a culture of respect and empathy online. Understanding the gravity and pervasiveness of cyberbullying is the first step towards combating its harmful effects. To effectively combat cyberbullying, a multi-faceted approach is essential. Education plays a crucial role in raising awareness about the issue and promoting responsible online behavior. Schools, parents, and community organizations must collaborate to provide comprehensive programs that teach young people about the impact of their words and actions online. Additionally, social media platforms and online communities must take proactive measures to create safe and supportive environments. This includes implementing robust reporting mechanisms, swiftly addressing complaints of cyberbullying, and enforcing clear guidelines and consequences for online harassment. In conclusion, taking a firm stand against cyberbullying requires a collective efforts from individuals, communities, and organizations. By fostering a culture of empathy, respect, and responsibility, we can create a safer and more inclusive online world for all. And this is the end of my video. Thank you so much for listening. I hope you enjoy and learn something. Thanks.